big of a spot it makes. So we use motor oil there. Put another one just over here. I'm gonna let that sit for a couple days, and I'll come back and I'll put this on it. So it's been a couple days since we put oil on the driveway. It's amazing how big 1 teaspoon of a spot it makes. This stuff seems to work on transmission fluid, dirty oil, gear oil, anything like that. So it's supposed to rain in a couple days, so I'm going to put a little bit of Dawn dishwashing detergent on the spot. So that's what I use. Probably other things will work, I don't know. This is what I've used and it seems like it works pretty well. So I just put this down. And then what you want to do is let that dry for a couple days. And then hopefully it'll rain and take care of it. Okay, so about 2 days later, it did rain, and it rained a lot. There's the control spot. There's the one with the Dawn, not too bad for not doing anything. Now I want to get rid of the control spot. So this is the next day. It rained a little earlier than I would have liked it to, but it looks like it still worked. The control's pretty much gone.